All right. Our helper is going to be Jocelyn. Pick one for us. Long division, synthetic division, or the remainder theorem. Jocelyn, how many times does x go into 2x squared? 2x is correct. When you multiply, Jocelyn, what do you get? So 2 minus 2 is what? Jocelyn? And 10 minus 10. Yeah, you can do 0. Jocelyn, how many times does x go into 0x? 0 times. So 0 times x is 0x. 0 times 5 is 0. If I subtract this, negative 5 minus 0, your answer is negative 5. So our remainder is negative 5. Raise your hand if you got negative 5 as a remainder. Good job. Class, I have a question. Is this a factor? Is x plus 5 a factor? No. Not a factor because there is a remainder. Okay, thank you, Jocelyn. Next guest, Nick. Your choice is synthetic division or remainder theorem. Alright, Nick. Should I write positive 5 or negative 5? Negative 5 is correct. X plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a factor. To go to a factor to a 0, you set it equal to 0, and you'll realize that x equals negative 5. Nick, what numbers you get here, here, and here? Okay, Nick, tell the class, how do we do synthetic division here? Good. Uh-huh. And what do you get? So we have a remainder of negative 5. Nick, is x plus 5 a factor?
No.
Why not? Thank you, Nick. Jesse V. Let's now use the remainder theorem. Jesse, what number should I be using for the remainder theorem? X plus 5 or x equals negative 5? X equals negative 5. Nick, not Nick. Jesse, what do I do with this number? Yeah, we're going to put it in for the x's of just the numerator. So I have p of a number equals 2 times x squared plus 10x minus 5. And we're going to put in negative 5 for every x value. Are you writing this down? Alright. Here we go, Jesse. Jesse, should I do 2 minus 5? Should I do 2 times negative 5? Why is 2 times negative 5 incorrect? Yeah, PEMDAS. We should have done exponent first. What's negative 5 times negative 5? Jesse, 10 times negative 5? Jesse, 2 times 25?
Thanks, bro.
And 50 minus 50? Our answer is negative 5. Look at that. Negative 5 again. Jesse, is it a factor? No, not a factor. Why? Because it has a remainder. Okay, so let's summarize what we just learned. You can do this problem in 3 ways: long division, synthetic division, or the remainder theorem. Notice how that each of these methods tell us about the remainder only. That's what they have in common. And with this number, it allows us to answer the question, is it a factor? Well, I've been asking this question quite a bit, and this was at the end of yesterday's lesson, that if there is a remainder, then it's not a factor. They call this the factor theorem. So yesterday we learned about the remainder theorem and the factor theorem, and hopefully you see this is how it all comes together.